Hi, my name is Jeremy Allison, and I'd like to talk to you about free software. Many of you using computers today use a system called Windows. Windows is so pervasive that most people think that the Windows system is the computer. But this is not the case. Here is a computer. It's not running Windows. It's running a system called GNU Linux. As you can see, you can still surf the web. You can still send and receive your email. You can still listen to music and watch videos. And you can still edit all of your documents. You don't need Windows to do any of these things. GNU Linux is free software. So what is free software? Well, free software is software that you can freely copy, modify and use on any computer. You don't need a license from any company, and you can legally give copies to all of your friends. Many of you might have heard of a program called Firefox, a web browser that runs on Windows and GNU Linux. Firefox is an example of free software. Well, what's the big deal about free software? Is it better software? Well, yes, actually, it is. Free software is more secure. Recently, the Washington Post recommended using the Firefox web browser on top of the GNU Linux system to do any internet banking or shopping to make sure that you are secure. GNU Linux doesn't suffer from any viruses. In fact, the US National Security Agency designed and wrote the security system running inside of GNU Linux. But how is it created? Nobody works and does this for free, right? Well, free software is created by collaboration. Collaboration between individuals, companies and universities. It's developed by software engineers in the same way that scientists do science. Openly, collaboratively and peer-reviewed. Just like the World Wide Web. It's no surprise that in fact the World Wide Web was created by scientists using free software. Anyone can fix the software, anyone can modify it to do whatever they need. That's the freedom that you get with free software. So why haven't you heard of it before? Is it a secret? Well, it isn't a secret from some of the largest companies in the world. They run much of their business with free software and the GNU Linux system. What do they know that you don't? Well, they value their freedom. And you should too. To learn more, go to www.fsf.org and visit the Free Software Foundation. Remember, every time you use the internet, you're using free software. Isn't it time you got a little better acquainted with it running on your own computer too?